Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to change your Etsy password. So the first thing that you will need to do is to sign into your account. Now there is something that most of the people are mistaken. When you try to sign in guys with Google, well this sign in will not have any password. So once you do sign in like this, they are not requiring any passwords from you. So when you try to change the password, let me show you what happens. So when it happens to change a password, well, you go here into this section where you can change the password, but in fact, you don't have a current password in the first place to change it to a new password. So this is the first thing for the user who are signing in using shortcuts like Gmail, like here Facebook and Apple. But otherwise, for normal users who are signing in using email and password, then it's very easy, guys. As I have shown you already, just go to the account settings, go down into the account here, and simply put here your current password, your new password, and confirm it again here. Here there is a couple of things to respect. Don't use a previous password. Don't use your name or email in the password. Use 8 characters, 6 characters minimum, and use a mix of numbers and symbols. And this is very important so you can make a strong password and have less chances that your account could be hacked, stolen, or basically any kind of malaffectation to your accounts. So yeah, this is very easy. It's very simple to change your account, guys. So if you do have any more questions about Etsy, about your account's privacy, make sure to leave your comment down below in the comment section. I'll read them all and do my best so I can record every single solution for you guys. That was it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.